Hello guys, welcome again to PC Express Luxembourg. So today we'll build another computer. It will be for a customer that loves Fortnite, right? Our customer right now is what, it's 13 years old, 15 years old. He's playing Fortnite on a laptop, okay? And he's always having problems with the frames per second, right? With the FPS. So we have proposed to him to build a Fortnite computer because he's really crazy about Fortnite. So I will show you what we have chosen for you to play Fortnite at high details with a very nice performance, okay? So the first thing, let's go with the box, okay? For him, we are able to get, take a look guys, Nzxt H700i Fortnite edition. Okay, a really nice box if you are into Fortnite. Let's take a look at the box. Okay, from the back side. So each Nzxt Ninja edition, okay, it's blue with the Ninja logo because that's his logo on Twitch. Take a look on the front, okay, and on the side, as usual with the Nzxt C, this is not plastic, okay, this is tempered glass, and it's a big case. And here we will build a Fortnite gaming computer for our customer, okay guys. This is a really nice box with the Ninja team on it. Let's open it so I can show you guys the inside where we will build everything, okay? Just a moment. Here it's not very clear because remember we have a plastic film protecting the glass, and we will only remove it once it's finished. Okay guys, take a look. The Nzxt Ninja Edition computer case for Fortnite. Take a look inside, okay? It comes already from factory with 3 fans, 1, 2, 3, 4, this one on the back. So in this one I don't think I'll need to add any other fans because we have already a very nice cooling system, and it already comes with the lights. Okay guys, here we go. Okay, the lights. Because this is a blue box, I will try to make everything like blue and yellow, okay? I will even install water cooling, Nzxt water cooling, that I'll change the lights to blue. Really nice box, okay? Nicely built. Here we have the controller to control all the fans, the lights, everything, okay? Really nice quality, okay? Here it will be our Fortnite gaming computer. Okay, again, take a look at the front. Here we go. Let's go to the back with a big Ninja logo on it. And here we will build our machine. Okay, because it's a gaming computer, let's start with the most important, right? Graphic card. Remember, we must keep our customer is on a budget, so we cannot overdo it. Our GPU for this build here, it will be the MSI GeForce RTX 2060. Okay, this will be the CPU we'll be using. It's a really nice GPU, sorry, for us to play Fortnite. We can put everything on high detail. Okay, I'll show it to you. Our graphics card with a really nice backplate, so you can change also the lights from the logo. A really nice GPU for a teenager. I'm pretty sure it will be a very big difference between playing in his laptop and using a RTX 60, sorry. Okay, let me close the box so I can show you guys the other parts, okay? So, graphics card we are covered. Then what CPU will we be using? For sure, Ryzen 5 3600. Okay, it's a 6-core CPU with 12 threads. The normal speed is 3600 and we can go all the way up to 4200. More than enough to play games, okay? This is the #1 CPU recommended by all the websites for you to build a gaming computer, okay? This will do the trick. For the motherboard, remember we are on a budget, we cannot go with the X570 chipset, we will go with the cheaper X4070. Exactly the same functionality except for PCI Express 4. Because we will not have a PCI Express 4 SSD, we can go with this one, okay? It's already a lot better than the 350 or the B450, okay? AMD X470. This will be our chipset. And for sure it's a gaming motherboard from MSI. We must choose a gaming motherboard because lights, gaming apps. Here we are, the motherboard, okay guys? Here we go. We will add an SSD here on the M2 slot, our motherboard. MSI Gaming Plus X470, along with our Ryzen 5 and our 2060 NVIDIA. For sure memory, okay? We will go with 16 gigabytes, okay? This is recommended for a modern gaming computer. And again, the speed will go with 3200 MHz memory, DDR4. We must use this speed for us to match the speed of the Ryzen Infinite Fabric, okay guys? 3200 MHz memory, RGB for sure, it's the HyperX Predator, okay? For fans, in case I need more fans, I will test the computer once it's built with overclock. Remember, from factory, our case already comes with 4 fans, but if I need more, this is the ones I will be using. It's a Thermaltake Ring Plus 12, okay? Because we can also control all the lights within the motherboard software. So our fans, let's go with our main SSD. For sure it will be an M2 drive, okay? It will be the Corssair Mp510 because it's not that expensive. We'll add the 480 gigabytes plus an external drive, a mechanical drive, sorry, internal mechanical drive, and we will be able to go all the way up to 3480 megabytes per second. So really nice fast loading times. SSD, main drive. So for sure, for the cooling, honestly it's not that we need to have a water cooling on a Ryzen 5, but it's a gaming computer for a teenager. For sure he will appreciate the lights effects, okay? This will give us a really nice finish to the computer. Remember, blue case, blue lights. On the middle of the motherboard we have the RGB memory and our Nzxt IO cooler, okay? Water cooling. And it's really not that expensive, okay? This model is the Kraken X52. It's a really nice price on Amazon. And for sure the power supply. Because I will have a power hungry GPU, I will add 650 watts power supply, also with LEDs from Thermaltake, okay? I really like this power supply because that's the one I use. They are quiet, they don't overheat, and I have all the cables that I need for a gaming computer. Okay guys, so I think that is all. I will go inside, build computer. You guys will have a quick preview of the build process, and then I will come back here once everything is assembled, Windows 10 is installed, everything is tested. So I'll show you guys the final result, okay? So that you can take a look of. It's not expensive, this machine, okay? Because our customer is on a budget, but still it will be a really nice gaming machine, okay? So see you back in a few moments. I will show you the build, but inside you'll see the build process. I don't have the time to talk, so it will be like fast forward. Okay guys, Thank you so much. Remember, if you want to build a computer, Fortnite, or if you have another team that you like, talk to us. We'll be more than glad to help you. And our prices are fair. Okay? So, thank you so much. See you soon. Let's build this computer. Okay guys, so here we are. This is our back office, and let's start build the Fortnite gaming computer. Okay, just another quick tour, because remember, on the front we have 3 fans. Okay, on the back we have 1 fan. Remember, I will add a power supply here, so it will be another exhaust fan. And I have water cooling from Nzxt, it's the Kraken X52. So with it's a double fan radiator, and it will be here on the top, because this case is built for it. Take a look out. Okay guys, so here we have place for a 360mm radiator, but we will use a 241 double fan, okay? Because here we have cold air coming from the front, it will be pushed to the back, and here we have a radiator to cool down the CPU, that the hot air, you see these holes, the hot air will come out from the top. Okay, so it will be a really nice cooling system. Okay, air coming from the front and hot air going out from the back. Okay, so I will start the build process, and I hope you like it, guys. Thank you. Okay, check out our CPU cooler. I'm talking with the camera, not with you. Radiator, okay, double fan, and this is the main water pump. Okay, for sure, connect all cables before turning on. Right, okay, thermic compound already there. So it comes with the Nzxt fans. I'll show you guys. So we must mount the fans, okay, 1, 2 fans, and it will sit here, like so. You see? Okay. Before installing the motherboard, don't do like I did, because if you install the motherboard before attaching the fans for the radiator, you'll not have space left to tie in the 4 screws of the fan. Okay, so before installing the motherboard, go in and put in the fans with the radiator, because if you do install the motherboard, you'll have to remove it to tie in the screws. Okay guys, because on top this motherboard has a big heat spreader for the VRMs for the CPU. Okay, they are that big, so if you do it the motherboard first and then the fans, you'll not be able to tie in the fans. Okay, so remember, please, first you go with the fans and then you put in the motherboard. This is called Gutaglis. Okay, it's like a plastic, heat resistant, that you can cut, because on top, remember, the fans are pushing air through the radiator, so the air will come out hot from here, but if I leave this hole here, I will have some hot air going again inside the box, and I don't want that. So I will cover that hole. Okay guys, so there is no way for the hot air to go except out. Okay. Hello guys, so the computer is assembled. I finished yesterday evening, so I'm showing you the day after. Let's take a look at the PC. I will ask Philippe to show you the insides. Okay, our Ninja Fortnite. The customer will be there in about 20 minutes to pick it up, so we are in a hurry. Sorry guys. Take a look at the PC. Very cool Fortnite gaming computer. Okay, let's turn it on. As you guys can check, we have a water cooling on the front. On the CPU, we have the power supply also with LEDs. We have a LED strip here and another one here. And on the cam control software, we set up everything so that we will be able to control the colors to match the case. In this case, we will choose for the yellow and blue. We have tested everything. The cooling, we have done a little bit of overclocking, and we even have a match wallpaper with the case. Okay guys, so our Fortnite gaming computer, let's take a look inside. Okay, so you guys can check what we have done. We are very proud to always be careful with the cable management, so that in the end you guys have a clean look. Okay, but be careful, this is glass, not plastic. Philippe will show you the inside. Okay, as you guys notice, we have the water cooling from Nzxt. I've chosen blue because the computer is blue with the cycling logo, and on the LED strips we have one here and another one here. We have also chosen the yellow and blue to match the case. Okay guys, so our power supply, GPU, water cooling, HyperX memory, and here on the top we have the fans with the radiator here, so the cold air is coming from the front with these free fans, and the hot air is going away from the back and from the top. Okay guys, a really nice gaming computer if you are into Fortnite. We have tested this machine and we are able in Epic to go to 150 frames per second, and on high ultra we are able to get more than 200 frames per second. Okay, remember the RTX. So thank you for watching. I hope you like the computer. If you want to build a computer with us, just give us a call, tell us what you like and your budget, and we'll be more than happy to offer you a quote. Okay guys, thank you, and thanks for watching.